Alright, so some of y'all know we've been trying to get a car so that I'll have a car when I go to college. What most of you don't know is that I haven't been able to get a car because of the economy, you know, money issues and stuff. So, came up here to my father's to visit him, and they actually bought me a car. And I'll let you look at it. The 2000 Mustang. The rims are new. The exhaust is supposedly not stock, but I think it is. That's just me. Got this nice red color here. And I have my keys, so here. Start it up, let you listen to it. Alright, this is the radio. Leather interior.
Mustang. It's pretty nice actually. I've driven it around Tulsa and got it. Friday I get to actually test drive it. We're going to Muskogee for my dad. He's going to the doctor. So that'll be fun. But I thought I would go ahead and make a video and let all of you see my new car. Alright, so I got into the trunk here and I looked, and as far as I know, that's not factory, so I don't know. I didn't put this in here. This is how it came. I don't think this is factory either. And there's another one over here. Alright, so there's that. And then the hood, underneath the hood here. You can kind of hear it outside of the car. There's the engine underneath the hood here. It's a V6. Not a bad car. There we go. Get it washed, and that's a nice, good car right there. Alright, so now that we found the rest of my car, I just wasn't paying attention. I haven't looked at it fully yet. That's pretty good. So I'll be seeing you.